is the question. So first, before starting the problem, you have to write the name of the institution. That is, they have given. See here, Malnad Sports Club. Same copy and write. Malnad Sports Club, Chikmagalur. Then you write income and expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/2018. This year you have to write it from this question. They will give here 31/3/2018. Copy that and write here. Then expenditure amount rupees. Income amount rupees. First, to write this expenditure, you always have to see your payments. Remember, this payment heading will always come in this expenditure. So first one, what it says, rent. Right here, to rent. Amount, see, to year they have given two amount. Which one will you write? See, you are doing of the year 2018, isn't it? So year end 2018, that one you have to see. 8,800. Write it, 8,800. See, opening balance sheet, outstanding rent 800 they have given. You will not write here because that amount they have already adjusted here. They have taken here. See, ಈ 800 amount outstanding rent ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ you don't have to write. In case this amount was not given here 800, then you had to write here, which we have done in the previous problem. Just check it. Next one, salary. Salary you write, to salary. But see, salary 3 year is given, 3 amount is given. Which one will you write? Again, which year you are doing? 2018, isn't it? So 2018 only you have to take. You will not take off this 17. You will not take this 19 also. You will take this 18, 46,400. See, outstanding salary here it is given 3,200. You will not write here in your account because that 3,200 is already adjusted in the question. They have already given here for you. So here you will not take. So rent is done, salary is done. Next one, what you are going to write is printing. Right here, to printing. I am writing the amount in the inner column 15,200. Why? Just check whether printing in the opening balance sheet is given. No. But in the adjustment it is given. Printing unpaid. Printing unpaid means what? You have not paid. Unpaid it is. You have to pay it. So it is your expenditure. So add printing unpaid 1,000. Both you add. When you add, it will give you 16,200. Okay? Yes. So now rent is done. Salary is done. Printing is done. Now what is remaining? General expense 10,800. Write it. To general expense 10,800. No information is there about general expense here. Illi kuda general expense ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So just outer column. Next one, furniture, sports material. These are assets. That means depreciation has to be charged. To depreciation. First one is furniture. See, depreciation percent is how much they have told here. Depreciate furniture 10%. Furniture amount, see, assets ಅಲ್ಲಿ furniture ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? See here it is 32,800, right? See, 32,800, write it. 32,800 into 10 upon 100. So it will give you how much? 3,280. Now here see students, furniture even here it is there. Payments only. What is the amount? 48,000. I am not taking it because year end nodi 31/3/2018. Year 31/3 year end ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. March ಅಲ್ಲಿ they have purchased it. So depreciation will not be charged on this. You always remember, it's very important. Furniture should not, depreciation should not be charged on this amount because year is 31/3 March end. On this we will take because it was purchased on 2017. So one furniture depreciation is done. Now sports material. Right here, sports material. First check the old balance sheet sports material. Always you have to do depreciation on this. That is 46,600. 43,600. Right here. 43,600 into 10 upon 100. That will give you 4,360. Now, here sports material, we have to charge depreciation. Why? You check the date. It is 1/10/2017. 1/10 is which month? See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. October it was purchased. So in between. So October, November, December 3. Then January, February, March. So 6 months. So on this amount, E amount mele into 10% you do, see 57,600 into 10 upon 100 into 6 by 12. I will tell why 6 by 12 once again. See, when it is purchased 110, so 10, 11, 12, 13 illa, only year only 12 months, so 12, then 1, 2, 3, October, November, December aad ನಂತರ ಪುನಃ it is January, February, March. So 6 months, 6 by 12. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ, that will give you 2,880. Please use your calculator. Add this both and write here. So that will give you 7,240. Please use your calculator while adding. Yes? So now expenditure is done. Expenditure ಏನಲ್ಲ. See, expenditure you only have to write. Payments ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು items ಉಂಟು, you have to write in expenditure. Revenue items you are writing here. Now you will fill up the income. To write the income, you have to always see your receipts. Receipts ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಂಟು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ income ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So first ಅಲ್ಲಿ income what it is there, see, balance this you are not taking, okay, that is subscription. Write the heading here. See, I have written by subscription. Which amount you will take? But subscription ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 amounts ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You will take 2000 year 18, this one, because you are doing of 18 year 2018, so 90,200 I have written here. Now subscription ಬಗ್ಗೆ you have to check the old information. Now anything is given in the opening balance sheet. See here outstanding subscription 4,800. See, you can see here outstanding subscription, that you are not writing because here they have already carry forwarded it 4,800 already adjustment ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is why you will ignore that amount just as you have done for these both. But there is here, see what they have told, subscription received in advance, that is 4,000. This amount here adjustment is not done. That 4,000 rupees ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, that is not taken in the question. That is why that 4,000 rupees you have to take here. So I will write, see, add subscription in received advance. How much is the amount? Check there. See, it was 4,000. You have to take it. Right here, add 4,000. Then about subscription, what is given now here? Subscription outstanding. Outstanding andre it should be added. You have to receive this year. So add. So here add outstanding subscription 5,600. Add all this, you will get 9,000. That is 90. Yes, that is 99,800 you are going to get. Once again I will explain this subscription. Just e subscription question alli kottidare 3 years is given, but you are going to write off 2017-18 year end 18 90,200 you will write. Yes, as I have written. Then question alli adjustment, that is in assets opening balance sheet, outstanding subscription 4,800 is given. You will ignore it. Why? ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು, ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, that is ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ 4,000, ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. that is why you have to add here. Received in advance you have to add here. Yes, then adjustment alli subscription outstanding, that is 5,600 you are going to add here. Yes, all this you add, you will get 99,800. Fine. Now next one what you are going to write, see here receipts alli subscription ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೀಸ್. ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಡೊನೇಷನ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಸಿ what they have told, capitalize 50% of donation. So you will write by donation. Donation amount is, check it, 32,400 in the question. 50% andre 50 by 100 ಮಾಡಿ, that will give you 16,200. What did I do? By donation I wrote, donation amount I took 50% ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ capitalize ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ in the questions here 50%. So 50 by 100 you do, you got this. Now entrance fees, here donation ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, entrance fees. About entrance fees, problem is not telling anything. When they don't tell anything in the question, students, we will take it in the income side. Always remember, By entrance fees, complete amount 65,200 you write. When the problem is silent about entrance fees, entire amount you have to take. Next one. What is this? Donation is done, entrance fees is done, interest. Interest is how much? 2,800. Write it. By interest 2,800. I am writing in the inner column. Why? Because check the question, interest ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? See here, interest